This video will demonstrate how to use Vimo Rebinder. Assuming our app currently has no shortcut keys added. First, open Settings panel and select our super key. In this case, I have chosen the Control key as the super key and had it swapped with the Caps Lock key already. Next, let's select some commonly used shortcut keys, such as those for Finder and System shortcuts. In the preset shortcuts, there are some apps, like Finder, for which we have already set Rebind shortcuts, and we will continuously add more presets for Rebind shortcuts. After tick the checkbox in front of the shortcuts entry, it will be synchronously added to the active rebinds and the shortcut manager. Now let's visit active rebinds. Here we see that Finder already contains the preset rebinding, and we can modify it if necessary. After opening the system shortcuts, we need to set the rebind shortcuts. Since they are all related to workspace operations and are similar functions, we will set the first letter of all workspace-related rebind shortcuts to D. Let's see the actual usage effect. Close the window, select Enable in the menu bar at the top, and the app will be enabled. Press and hold the super key, and the floating panel will change color. Then press the first letter D of the rebind shortcut we set for the workspace, and the hint panel will display hints. Press the corresponding letter to execute the related action. Next, let's open Finder and try the related shortcut keys. What if the preset shortcut keys do not include the app one need? We can use the Add Shortcut Key function. First, open the Shortcut Manager, and before clicking Select App button, put the window of the app that needs to set the shortcut keys in the workspace, so that Vimo Rebinder's app selector will detect the identifier of the target app. Then, click Select App, and we can find the app in the selection menu, select it, and close. Now we can add the corresponding shortcut key, enter the command description, and press Return to input the original shortcut keys in the pop-up window. After setting the corresponding rebind, let's test the effect. Press the I key, and the floating panel will prompt the shortcuts just entered. Next, let's go to the settings to see how the repeater key operates. Here we set the key to repeat the last action as the spacebar. After we perform an action through rebind shortcuts, while super key is held, one can simply use the spacebar to repeat the previous action. Finally, let's explore the management features of the Shortcut Manager. The Delete feature removes the corresponding entry from the Shortcut Manager. The Edit feature modifies the shortcut command corresponding to the entry, even if the shortcut keys added from the preset can be modified to match your custom settings. Additionally, the checkbox in front of the entries in the Shortcut Manager indicates whether the entry has been added to the active rebinds. For example, if we remove some entries from the enabled shortcuts, these entries will remain in the Shortcut Manager but will be in an unchecked state. This feature is designed so that if you add a large number of shortcut keys at once but want to master them step by step, you can select them in a limited amount and add them to the active rebinds. Vimo Rebinder. Smooth your operation.